today's video, you'll learn how to do it on TikTok. This is an OBS tutorial. And you basically learn how to do side-by-side videos where you do a response to someone's set, a dance with someone, a reaction to someone, or whatever you choose. That's actually a good idea during social distancing now, is it? Dancing by a TikTok duet? Comment down below if you think that's a good idea. And all I want from you is to grab two, but it's actually four things. First, a cup of coffee because you're awesome. Second, my free 0 to 10k followers guide on Instagram that you can grab your copy of in the description down below. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you're new with bell notifications on, of course. Okay, so the way to actually do a duet is you go on Discover and you just can type in something like duet. And you can see one of the tags. Normally it's people that actually agree for people to do a duet with them, or it's actually instances of a duet. For example, we have Charlie D'Amelio, and this video, to actually do a duet with it, you just click the share button and you have the duet option right here. And you can actually do a duet by just trying to do some video response, and then if you click the red button, you're nearly done. So this is how you actually do a duet, but sometimes with some videos you won't really have the duet option. And the reason that's so is when the person records a video like we will do now. Hello, I'm trying to record a TikTok video. This video is actually useless.
You know, I'm something of a
TikToker
myself.
And you're ready to upload it. You click next. Now you have a few options. First, we have who can view this video, allow comments, and do you have the allow duet. If you have it off, if the person has it off, other people won't have the duet option in the share button. And if you really want to do it with the person, you gotta message him on Instagram or whatever, so he can enable it in this video, so you can actually do a duet with them. So this is it. As I said, this is an OBS tutorial, very straight to the point. And you know what? I'll shout your TikTok account in one of my next videos. All you gotta do is comment your TikTok username down below and I'll do it. Just try me. I'll do it. And here are some shout out winners on Instagram, YouTube, and whatever. And I also shout them out on my Instagram stories. First, we have Infinite Beast Motivation. It's about aesthetic, eye-pleasing content that will keep you inspired. He commented on 3 videos, so I appreciate the hustle. Then we have Lance Life Apparel, and thank you, shouting you out on one of the next videos. And on IG right now, Fooled Me With The Fly, and I will actually shout him out again when this video comes out. So yeah, try to fool me, I'll shout you out. And also, if you have any questions, I reply to every single comment.
Just try me.
Remember that a video day keeps the doctor away. By the end of this video, you should definitely check one of these videos out. Now, see you next one. Bye.